Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log out of Instagram on all devices. And now let's dive right in. Now to log out of Instagram on all devices, first open up your Instagram app. And from over here guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon in a small circle. Tap on that. And over here guys, on this interface, again at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the three-lined icons. Tap on that three-lined icon. And from over here guys, tap on the account center at the top of the screen. From over here, scroll down and tap on password and security. And over here you can see the where you're logged in option available for us. Tap on where you're logged in. Now over here guys, you can see your Facebook, your Instagram and your Meta account. Tap on your Instagram account. Now you can see all of the devices on which you had logged in on Instagram. Now to log out of all of those devices, you can see the select devices to log out button available at the bottom of the screen. Tap on select devices to log out. And over here you can see the select all button available for us. Tap on select all, and after that tap on logout, and then you'll be signed out of your Instagram account on all of the devices. And there guys, this is how to log out of Instagram on all devices. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.